Thumbnails are like the supermodels of the video world. They're the ones that make the heads turn and get all the attention. Just like how a killer outfit can make you the life of a party, a jaw-dropping thumbnail can make your video the talk of the town. From capturing eyeballs in a crowded online world, it gives the viewers a sneak peek of your video's awesomeness. Thumbnails are like the Beyonce of video marketing. They slay, and they slay hard. So dress your video to impress with a killer thumbnail that screams, "Click me," and watch your video soar to the moon. Thanks to the latest iOS update, they've made it extremely easy now to create some of the best thumbnails without all the fancy equipment that you have to use, like Photocop. I don't know if I could say the name. But with this application concoction that I'm gonna give you, I'm about to show you where you can create that puppy in a blink of an eye. Take the first photo yourself. I'm learning if you don't smile hard, you have to make some like silly face or whatever. Go ahead and pull up a picture type YouTube thumbnails. Cool. Save that photo, looks like a really good one. Remember, Then you want to go ahead and open up Instagram up. Go ahead, go to your profile, hit the plus sign at the bottom. You should have that photo saved. You should have that photo saved that you saved from the Safari. Go ahead and hit stories and then go ahead and put it in your stories. Just go ahead and blow that up, turn it to the side. Go ahead, get ready to adjust it. And then now, this photo that you saved, you can actually paste it inside of the stories. So go ahead and turn that to the side. And once you go ahead and place my, look at my face. Now just go ahead and type like crazy fast thumbnails. Looking good, looking good. So we want to go ahead and save that. Now we gotta take that, you want to turn it, kind of get that right in between so that it like pops through from the yellow. And then next we want to go in and you want to change the font. Change the characters, like the way that it looks, and then that's going to give you like the perfect like pop for that thumbnail. So we're going to go ahead and use that font right there. Looking good. And like I want to add like a different element to it too, like a rabbit or something fast. Or matter of fact, we're gonna use this one. Go. Let's use that one. Okay, now go ahead and turn that. Yeah, we turn that. See, yep, turn that. Put that in there, and then go ahead, click the hamburger at the top right of Instagram. Save the video, and then go back into your photos. Obviously, because Go is animated, it's gonna like save as like a 5-second movie. Turn it to horizontal, mission complete. So thumbnails play a critical role in attracting viewers, conveying video content, establishing brand identity, improving the SEO, and obviously just increasing the shareability, right? Video content creators should invest time and effort in creating high quality and attention-grabbing thumbnails to optimize their video's chances for success in a competitive online video landscape. If you enjoyed that video, hope it was really quick for you. Hope you can duplicate it just as fast as I did. Go ahead and click that subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notifications. I will see you soon. Thanks for tuning in. The Filmologist out.